To schedule a text with Google Messages app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or other Android phones, open Google Messages app. Tap Compose New Message icon at the bottom right. Now type the name or phone number you like to send the text with. Select the contact. To schedule the text, tap the circle with plus icon and then select schedule send. As the example, we will send the text in November 5th at 5 a.m. To do so, tap pick date and time. Set the date to November 5th. Tap next button. And then set the time to 5 a.m. Tap next button. And then tap save. Now write the message. Once done writing, tap send schedule text icon. By doing this, the message will be sent in November 5th at 5 a.m. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.